Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So we can definitely take off that potential double top because it's been clearly invalidated. What are we watching for now? So we came up, spiked just above our 38.49 level, dropping back. We got 8 pushing the price and it went to the rotation zone on the 1 hour. That enabled you to also, even when it went through to the next level, move up the levels. So we're still anchored with the same bottom price. Coming up here, giving us 39.78 was the next major area, spiking through that, closing just below it, then pausing there right now. Also updating the retracements. Right now we're holding at 12.5% pullback and a GAN cluster. So going to watch to see if it drifts here. If it closes below that, I'm going to be watching for the traditional 25% pullback, 38.67 area with the rising 8 EMA. That's the next key area. Also going to raise up this. So this is from the anchored at the beginning of the move. You can also put on the most recent. So we can also, which will give us a double set of targets. And remember, we use the 12 and the 20, 12.5 and 25%. So that gives us our next set of targets. So we'd have a minor target, 4,068, major target, essentially 4,100 to 4,116 right in here, with a prior GAN level from a retracement, and then next target 4174. If we did pull back below the 25% retracement, then I'd be watching major cluster, and this is the prior breakout zone. We're paused with the rising 21 right around 3790 to 3800. Let's switch over to that daily chart. So you can see here, we're just looking up here, especially at this 4175 area. That's where some major key resistance is. So definitely use some of these levels to move up stops if you've been getting long on anything, or take profits and re-add on pullbacks. That's what we have for you in Bitcoin right now. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum coming up, moving through our next 143.95 area. Gave us the ability with this pause to move it up also, leading us to target around 152.50. It got to 152 besides pulling back right now, holding at the 12.5% pullback. I already updated the retracement levels earlier. So if we close below that, then I'm going to be watching for first key areas about 141, just into the 8 EMA with this little ledge here. Next major area, I'll be watching 139. Those are the key 2 areas I'll be watching for a rotation back up. Now, if this just, one of the things is if it holds at the 12.5% and drifts sideways and we don't get back to 20, this is a very shallow retracement. So watch what happens to it if this just drifts sideways for a few bars. Watch what happens when the 8 catches up. That's what generally triggers the next rotation move sideways. So if you don't get the bigger pullback and we hold up here, start focusing as the 8 starts coming in near the bottom of this level, near that 145 area. Start watching for a strong rotation and a push back up. Right now, since we came within 50 cents of that upper level, I'm going to raise this to that key area, and we'll also put on the most recent swing, which started actually from back there. And let's see what that gives us. Sort of a messy little cluster, not a great target area, so I'm just going to use the bigger picture ones until we get some kind of cluster forming. So we have 158 as the next target, minor target, and 164 as the next major target on the breakouts. So daily chart. That's really all there is, just looking at this. Next, this 158 level, still in this advanced clear path area. This cutting into the upper wicks. So I definitely be watching the 164 and moving up stops even partially before that, because we had some major prior selling back up there. So that's what we're watching for in Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.